Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to discuss one of the most buzzing AI tools that is called DeepSeek. So before we go into the overview, this is how DeepSeek homepage will look like. So we have two options now: a start now and get DeepSeek app. Okay, so you can also download the app, as well as once you click on the start now, you will come to this page. It looks similar to ChatGPT. Let's see the overview. We'll come back to this and we'll try to test both ChatGPT and DeepSeek with a common coding problem. Okay. This is a AI tool that is created by China, and that is another reason why it is being hyped so much, because it has a direct competition with OpenAI ChatGPT, and that is the US AI tool. And we know how China and US relations are nowadays. So for the technical things or software developer like us, DeepSeek can be a better option. The reason I can discuss later. Okay. The first advantage you can see with respect to the DeepSeek is it is using 671 billion parameters, which is one third of what ChatGPT uses, okay, which is 1.8 trillion parameters. Although another advantage is DeepSeek only activates 37 billion parameters for a query, okay, which is optimizing its computational efficiency. So DeepSeek is cost effective as well, because if you see, it is trained in 55 days on 2048 NVIDIA H800 GPUs, which has just costed around 5.5 million, which is approximately 10% of what ChatGPT takes to train it. Okay, so if you see, ChatGPT estimated cost is around 100 million plus. Okay, so that is the training cost of both the AI tools. Now, DeepSeek focuses more on reinforcement learning. So, what does that mean? So, you do not have to actually provide a lot of guidance after the training. So, obviously, these two models have been tested on different fronts. So, when it comes to mathematics, okay, DeepSeek provides you 90% accuracy. However, ChatGPT provides you 83% accuracy. When it comes to coding and solving complex logical problem, 97% is the success rate of DeepSeek. However, it goes down to 89% for ChatGPT. So since DeepSeek is entirely new, it does not have image support as of now. However, ChatGPT supports both text and image because it is quite old right now. So let's compare both ChatGPT and DeepSeek and see what is the response and how detailed the response are. Let's ask both of these AI tools to write a program to add a simple two numbers in C#. Okay. So here in the example one, it is directly giving you the code to add two numbers by entering the numbers into the console. Okay. And example two, it has created a new method, add numbers, and it is using this method to add two numbers. Okay. But if you see, it has not explained in details. For beginner, it could be a problem. So you have to ask it again in order to explain it. I'm going to provide the same prompt to DeepSeek and let's see how it is responding. So let's put the prompt here. So it is generating the code as similar to the example one of ChatGPT. However, if you see, it is providing the explanation as well for every line and every functionality it is using inside this code. Okay. And here also it is asking you how you can actually run it. So I found this better than ChatGPT in terms of coding problems. So you can explore this more, guys, by yourself. This was more of a awareness video. What is happening in today tech market. So we'll meet up in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.